Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll be showing you how to access Discord.com on either the Meta Quest 3 or for me, I'm using the Meta Quest 2. So if it works here, it'll be able to work on the 3. Now, what you want to do is, once you're in VR, you want to open up the Meta Quest browser app. So that's this right here. And what you want to type in is Discord.com. Now, I'm already logged in, but what you need to do is log into your Discord account. Once you've done that, you'll have full access to everything on your Discord account in VR. As you can see, I have access to all my servers, and I can type in just like so. If I want to go into a server and just type, I can just type in like this, enter, and then boom, everyone on Discord will be able to see it, even though I'm in Discord. I can even join general chat and start talking, and as you see your phone, start chatting like so. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Bye bye.